Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today we have Chef Ryan in the building. So Ryan decided to do something really sweet for me today. So tell him what you wanted to do for me today.
This is just a sister appreciation dinner.
Isn't that so sweet? He texted me, he said, you know what, I want to do something sweet for you. What you doing? I said, I'm not doing anything, brother. I'm not doing anything. What's up? Take me shopping, you know, whatever. He said he wanted to make me an appreciation dinner. I thought that was so nice. So on the menu we're having
lamb chops, some mashed potatoes, and some asparagus, and yeah. And
it smells so good. So I'm ready. I love lamb chops. I just had it one time. Well, I had it twice. When I had it, it was years ago and I didn't like it. I wasn't a fan. But then I had some lamb chops from Longhorn and they were so good. So now I love lamb chops. So while Ryan's in the kitchen cooking, I'm going to try out some of my new perfume that I just got in from Scentbird. Thank you, Scentbird, for sponsoring this video. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that lets you shop over 600 brands like Prada, Gucci, and Versace, just to name a few. They offer men, women, and unisex fragrances. This is perfect for someone who wants to try new fragrances but don't want to commit to the full bottle. You take a quick quiz and based on your preferences, you will receive a 30-day supply for just $16 a month. And if for some reason you need to skip a month, you can do that without penalty. So they sent me over a few. They sent over Gucci Bloom, La Vanilla. I've never heard of that one before. And the Pamela Roland. I really like the Prada candy. It smells really sweet. It actually smells like candy. And then they also sent over this big bottle. This is new for me. This is Red Panda by Sanctuary. Smells really nice, really feminine. So this is what I'll be wearing today. Make sure to click the link below and use my code Sharika for 30% off. That's just $11 for your first month. Let me show y'all the food. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I just left from TJ Maxx. I picked up a few of Marc Jacob products that they had at TJ Maxx. I'm going to show you guys what I got. And also, I stopped by my post office box. I had a lot of packages in my post office box today, so of course we're going to sit down and go through those. I bought some concealer in Deep 50. And then I bought the one in Deep 26. I bought one foundation. This is in the color Deep Cocoa. And this is just some of the dewdrops. This was only $12.99. The foundation was $16.99. The concealer was $6.99. Y'all know I got two. And then the eyeliner, I took the tag off that, but this was only, I think, like $3.99. And then I bought a little small diffuser to go on the side of my bed because y'all know that I have that big diffuser. I am an oil girl too. If you guys are new here, I love oils as well. So I found this really cute one and it changed colors. And this one was only $14.99. It's really cute and small. Comes with the lavender oil, which I have this exact one already. My hands be cramping up. And it's just really small and cute like this. I like how small it is. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take some of these out so you guys can see how they look. So this is the full coverage foundation. And it looks like this. Like this. Pull the top off. So I think this is a good color. Excited about that. And then this is the dewdrops. So it looks like this. Pull the top off. Oh, you can, this part actually has like a little, this, and this is a little too light for me, so I think I'll be returning this one. Where is it? Look at that. Yeah, I'll be returning this one. Where's the tag? Yeah. Turn this one, and then this is the concealer. Looks like this. And yeah, this is a good concealer. Can y'all see the color? It's right there. I think that'll be good. Which color is this one? So this is the Deep 50. So this one, if it's too dark, I can use like as a contour stick. Yeah. And that's the other one right there. So I'll just use this one. That. Okay, so I did stop by my post office box and I have a few packages from you guys. So we're gonna open the first one. First one is a rose mold ice cube tray. So it looks like this. Thank you so much. You guys know that I am really into this type of stuff, so thank you so much. There is a note here, so let's see who sent this to me. Denise Kidd. Thank you so much, Denise. That was so sweet. I want to open it right now just to see how big I can expect the ice cubes to be. Oh, they're gonna be pretty big. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Y'all know this makes me so happy, so thank you so much, Denise, for sending that to me. I think I'll just open up all the Amazon packages first. Next up is some more ice cube trays. Is this from Denise too? Yes, this is also from Denise. Thank you. So it's just like a variety pack. Thank you. Thank you, Denise, so much. And we have another Amazon package. Let's see here. And this is a gemstone blue and black what's in the bag. So it's just like a little, this is like a phone bag. Thank you so much. It doesn't have a card in here, but it's just like a phone bag. I can put my phone in. So thank you very much for this. It's a blue color. It's waterproof, blue and black, water resistant, Oxford fabric. Looks like this. Thank you so much. So cute. And then with that, what's this together? I don't think this is together. Okay, and then this is, let me see. I was waiting on this girl from Instagram to send me, oh yeah, this is from this girl on Instagram. Is this from, yeah, I think this is from a girl from Instagram. She has like an undergarment line, and she sent me some to try out. So this is from her company, but I don't have a card or anything. So this is Shapelix Crew. I'm gonna have the Instagram information at the bottom of the screen. Here's the card here. Just different shapewear. But I'll try this and let you guys know how I feel. So I think this one just rests up under your breast. It has the little 2 straps here, the adjustable straps here. And then of course it has the little space out here for your bum, so it's not smushing that in. And then it has the lace at the bottom. And also a zipper here to use the restroom. And that just goes all the way back into the front. And then of course the zipper down the front. So thank you very much, and I will be getting back to you to let you know if I love it, which I'm sure I'll love it. Next up is from 9 Cents. So I have a note here. So the letter just says, I hope you love the lavender candle I picked for you. Thank you again for getting back to me. Love, Danny. This, and she got me a candle. So sweet. Y'all know I am a big candle lover. I don't have any instrument. I can smell it before I even open this. It smells so good. Ooh, and it's a wood wick candle. Ooh, packaging. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I love this. It fits my decor perfectly. Ooh, yes. I love this. I love a nice minimal packaging. It just looks so nice and chic. Not too much going on. I really, really love this. This smells bomb. I don't have, she didn't leave any of her information in the box, so I can leave it across the screen for you guys. But I'll look it up, so I'll have it. I'm gonna sit it right here. So good. I love wood wick candles. Sounds like a fire's burning. I love it. This stuff is from Sugar Scoop Beauty right here. So let's see what she sent, what they sent over. Y'all be going off with this packaging. Girl, look at this. This is gorgeous. So it's Sugar Scoop Beauty on Instagram, and it says, your body deserves desserts. Honey, she's already chocolate. No, okay. Let me open the candle. Ooh, this is so cute. Y'all know I love this. Like, packaging come through. Thank you so much for your support. I really hope you love everything. Love, I think this is Maryland. Thank you so much for thinking of me. It makes me feel so special. Y'all know how I get when I get stuff. I get very excited. But let me show y'all this packaging because it's everything. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Thank you card with all of her information. You can use code SUGAR to save 15% off. Bomb. Love this. All right, let's get into this stuff. Let me see what you're working with, girl. Oh my gosh, this packaging is everything. So this is a sugar scrub for the hand and body. Oh, she just got all the goodies. This is, I can just imagine what this smells like, but of course I'm gonna smell it and let y'all know what it smells like, but I'm like getting my nose prepared for something that smells like candy. And this is a body glaze. Next up is a pout pudding, so I'm assuming that's for your lips. Gotta keep the lips right. We have a body buttercream. And then this is the Sugar Scoop lip glosses. The colors are gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. Love that. All right, now I'm assuming that this smells like candy. So I'm gonna smell this sugar scrub because y'all know I am a big sugar scrub lover. I love to exfoliate. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, your mans and them gonna want to eat you up if you put this on. Okay, let me smell this body butter, girl, because let me find out. Hold on. Shut up. Ooh, girl, you got me smelling like a little baby doll. Okay, I love this. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Next up is from Sweet and Savvy Beauty. I'm so proud of y'all. Y'all just some boss chicks, okay? And don't let nobody else tell y'all anything different. All right. Hey Sharika, just wanted to let you know how much black girl joy I get from watching your videos. Your content is fire, sis. Sending a few goodies, which I hope you enjoy. So if you use my code SharikaB, it will save you guys 20%, okay? Blessings, SNSB Boutique. Thank you, girl. All right. Ooh. Oh, girl, you gonna bless us with this beauty. Look at this. Come on through. I'll have her information at the bottom of the screen. Packaging, yes. Marble, that's one of my favorites. If you guys are new here, I love marble. I will have marble countertops when I move into my home. And these beautiful lashes is her 3D mink lashes in the style Bella, like this. It also came with a lash pincher, the lash glue, and the instruction card. So thank you so much. And then it came with some other lashes, and this is in the style Mood. So pretty. And then this one is Love on Top. And they look like this. Very nice. And then she sent over 2 palettes. Y'all, it's about to rain outside. The rain is coming. Ooh, these are my colors. Look at these pretty colors. So this is the terracotta palette. Very nice. Everything looks beautiful. Everybody, thank you so much. To all of my business owners, keep pushing, keep hustling. Y'all got this, okay? So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.